And here we are, Marostica. And we go climbing, well, pretty quickly, frankly. And what a kick in the pants it is towards the end of the day. One for the purists, one for the breakaway, perhaps. We'll see. Madonna di Campiglio is where they are heading. And it's been a platform for some amazing performances, some, frankly, inhuman. Thinking Pantani back in 1999. 106.8 kilometers and 34 seconds is what they've got at the moment. These guys are a mega threat. I believe in the breakaway now, and I think these guys do as well. I think with the diminution of both Port and Oran, this plays into the hands of Aru, and he himself has said that, you know what, at my age, second place is pretty good. There is the pink jersey of Contador, the white young rider's jersey, now sits second in classification to Contador. And remind you, with a huge gap, yawning almost, of 2 minutes and 28.
Dupont of AG2R, who seems to be descending better than everybody else at this moment in time. He's the one leading them down. Visconti in the middle sits, who is managing to hang on at the back. 1 minute and 18 seconds now back to the pink jersey group, so that's come down significantly. It really does seem like it's going to be all over for the breakaway. Possibly even before the midway point of the last climb. It's a really tough descent.
You almost can't lean into the curves because you're going to be headbutting the wall if you do.
Yeah, it's not a descent where you want to get things wrong even, which is exactly what's happened here. That is Kreuziger, I think, who's...
oh, no.
That's a Puma as well.
That's a real shame because he was a contender today and he'll know that as well. And it looks like the motorbike has actually got itself into a bit of problem as well. How brave are Astana going to be today? And indeed, what can they do? Aru is not even sitting on his own teammates' wheels at the moment. He's sitting on and watching Alberto Contador in the pink jersey. And Aru looks like he's being put in trouble by an attack by his own rider here. Contador is staying there. Trofimov's also in the frame. It's these four right now that are going to decide this day. And here goes Contador. He sails around the outside, and this is the moment. A man in an orange t-shirt getting in the way. He needs to get clear of this man and let him have his fun. And believe me, he's enjoying this. And so are we. There he goes. Contador stretching his legs. Who's good enough to stay with him? Relax mode right now, and here comes Trofimov, and he's going to attack them. Trofimov comes straight by. He's found some reserves as well. Trofimov goes. What an absolute piece of genius. Has he managed to mock them all and fool everybody? He looked to me on his last reserves. I think he certainly was on the climb. This is going to be for somebody else. We thought it was going to be Trofimov. So did Trofimov. And right now it looks like Landa's going to have his fun. This is for my team. It's also for me, says Landa. He comes to the line, opens his arm up. Worship at my feet, he says. Trofimov nearest man to him. And Contador beats Aru at the line after what was a huge punch-up out there. In the end, I think you can say it was a draw between the main contenders. Here's your overall standings. Landa moves into 4th place. Amador is ahead of him, but by a narrowed margin. Aru trails Contador by 2 minutes and 35. Contador still our leader.